let it go. Wait, drip on my clothes, mask on my face when I smile it don't show. Nigga, watch what you saw. Demons be lurking, they came with that pole. Stop, live by the code. We move in the nighttime so nobody knows. Still in my zone, still got the stacks, leave me alone. I'm counting my blessings, turn up my phone, it's moving too loud. I got a new number, the 20th now. Moving too fishy, then I switch it up on the face of nobody. Your body's a dog, yeah, my circle is what hell I got in up until go for the bullshit, my speech is enough. Still got the rest in the bag, got a figure me, get shit with it and leave. They might be guessing that thank you, but nigga wants more than he better be beast. Thought I really be running, I really be killing me, so we ease. I see the body, they look in the mirror, wishing I was right. Flow is so dirty, so sexy, you niggas don't give me no whammy. I get up and follow my yeses, I tell them I'm doing the dead day. I'm gonna get what I rip with it, I do what I do when I rip with it. And then I'm gonna do with it, I think I'm gonna live with it. Let's all drop the acting, now the game is ruined. Most of them are loving, but I hate to do it. Speaking is my strength, but yet I hate to do it. Scary on my breath, you know I'm fucking realize. Think they got me feeling like an action man. I don't want it right, so want them at the back. You go out and fight and you get fucking sad. I know how to run, I let me out of that. My psychosis, such emotions, have them showing no this. I took close, it's so atrocious on my next to do shit. Find my soul, let's fuck the stolen, fuck it, I don't know it. Stories going down, we show it, nigga, let us tell it. Feeling so cold, I should be hitting, I can't let it go. Wait, drip on my clothes, mask on my face when I smile it don't show. Nigga, watch what you saw. Demons be lurking, they came with that pole. Stop, live by the code. We